Thank you very much, Ma'am Florena Aquino. And now our last but not the least teacher reviewer is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education at the National Teachers College. She earned 39 units in master's degree in the same school. Currently enrolled at Pacific Intercontinental College, major in Educational Management. A master teacher too of Isaac Lopez Integrated School. Grade 6 mathematics teacher, assistant to the principal in elementary department, master teacher in charge of grade 6 and grade 1. SBM, WINS, and SIP program focal person in charge, Project CLAID content validator of mathematics grade 3. Please welcome Ma'am Loida C. Mati.
Good day, learners. I'm Teacher Loida, your teacher today, for Project SOAR, series of online academic review of Mathematics CLAID Learning Modules. Second quarter, week 6, module 6. Project CLAID Learning Second quarter, week 6, module 6. Evaluating an expressions with more than 2 operations, with or without exponents and parentheses o grouping symbols. Today's objectives. First, interprets and explains the grouping, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, GEMDAS rule. Second objectives. Performs 2 or more different operations on whole numbers with or without exponents and grouping symbols. Today's subject matter. Evaluating an expressions with or more than 2 operations, with or without exponents and parentheses or group. Before we proceed to our lesson for today, children, let's have first some exercises about the previous lesson that you have taken. Evaluate the following expressions. Number 1, 2 cubed. So what is your answer, children? 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. Yes, your answer is correct. Number 2, 5 square. Think of the answer. Now let us check. 5 times 5 equals 25. Good. Let's have number 3. 3 cubed. What is your answer? 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. Good. Let's have number 4. 10 cubed. 10 times 10 equals 100. 100 times 10 equals 1,000. Good job, children. And the last number 5. 2 square plus 3 cubed. Think of the answer. Now let us check your work. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. 27 plus 4 equals 31. Very good. Let's start our lesson for today in problem solving. Read the problem. Read and analyze the problem. The school library contains 10 cube books. Before the opening of classes, the local government units donates 500 books if there are 100 bookshelves that could store equal number of books. How many books are there in each bookshelf? Analyze the problem, children. Answer the steps in problem solving based on the problem. Let's have for understand. What are the steps? First, what is us? What is us in the problem? The number of books in each shelf. Yes, good. And number 2, what are the given facts based on the problem? What is your answer, children? 10 cube books, 500 books donated by the LGU, 100 bookshelves with equal number of books. Under plan, what are the steps to be answered? Yes, to find the number of books in each shelf. Simply get the total number of books and divide it by the number of bookshelves. Let's have solving the problem. Let's study the solution. In solving series of operations, the following rules can be used. Let's apply the groupings. Exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, or we are going to apply Jajemda's rule. Let's have rule number 1 for Jajemda's rule. Rule number 1, simplify the operation within each pair of grouping symbols. The parentheses, brackets, and braces, beginning of the innermost pair. Rule number 2, evaluate exponential expressions. Rule number 3, perform multiplication and division as they occur from left to right. Rule number 4, perform addition and subtraction. So these are the Jajemda's rule, means grouping symbols. Parentheses with the symbols, braces with the given symbol, bracket with the symbol, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Going back to the problem, what are the given facts in the problem? The number of books in each bookshelf. What are the given facts? 10 cube plus 500 divided by 100. Apply grouping symbols in evaluate the exponential expressions. Let's have the answer. 10 cubed plus 500. 10 cubed, 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1,000. Plus 500, close parenthesis, divided by 100. Add numbers inside the parenthesis, then divide. 1,000 plus 500 equals 1,500 divided by 100. What is the answer, children? Yes, good. The answer is 15. There are 15 books in each bookshelf. Let's apply the GEMDAS rule in evaluating numerical expressions. Let's have number 1. Open parenthesis, 4 times 5 square, close parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, 3 times 10, close parenthesis. Now, in the given expression, we're going to apply rule number 1 and number 2. What is the rule number 1 and number 2? Simplify the operations and grouping symbols. So, open parenthesis, 4 times 5 times 5 equals 25, close parenthesis, plus, open parenthesis, 3 times 10, close parenthesis. Now, we will apply rule number 3. What is rule number 3? Perform the multiplication and division. 100 plus 30 equals, what is the answer, children? Rule number 4. Rule number 4, addition and subtraction. So, 100 plus 30 equals 130. Let's have another example. Now, children, let's have expression with grouping symbols. 3 times brackets, open parenthesis, 4 times 8 square, close parenthesis, divided by 8 brackets. 3 times brackets, open parenthesis, 4 times 8 times 8 equals 64, close parenthesis, divided by 8 brackets, 3x brackets, 4 times 64 equals 256 divided by 8 brackets, 3 times 256 divided by 8 equals 32. So, the answer is 96. Let's have another example. Expression without grouping symbol. 9 times 9 divided by 3 plus 9 minus 6. Look at the given expression. How many operations are there? Yes, there are 4 operations. What are the 4 operations? Multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now let us evaluate the given expression by following the GEMDAS rule. 9 times 9 equals 81. Divided by 3 plus 9 minus 6. Perform multiplication and division. 27 plus 9 minus 6. Perform addition. 27 plus 9 equals 36. Minus 6 equals 30. How do we evaluate an expression with more than 2 operations, with and without exponents and parentheses, or without grouping symbols? Again, how do we evaluate an expression with more than 2 operations, with and without exponents and parentheses, or with grouping symbols? Rules in the order of operations, or GEMDAS rule. Step number 1. Simplify the operations in grouping symbols. What are the grouping symbols? Parentheses, brackets, and braces. Start from the innermost grouping symbol. Step number 2. Evaluate exponential expressions. Step 3. Multiply and divide in the order they appear from left to right. Step number 4. In evaluating the expression, add and subtract in the order they appear from left to right. Let's have an activities. Evaluate the expressions. Number 1, 18 minus 12 divided by 6 plus 7. (18 minus 12 divided by 6 equals 2 plus 7). 18 minus 2 equals 16 plus 7 equals, the answer is 23. Number 2, 4 times 15 plus 8 minus 9 times 25. 4 times 15 equals 60. Minus 8 plus 9 plus 25. 60 plus 8 equals 68. Minus 9 plus 25. 68 minus 9 plus 25, the answer is 84. Now let's proceed to number 3. 7 times 9 minus 3 plus 8. 7 times 9 equals 63 minus 3 plus 8. 63 minus 3 equals 60 plus 8. The answer is 68. Next, children, let's have the math challenge. Why math challenge? By this time, we will use the numbers or the letters with the value. A, the value is 2, B, the value is 4, and C, the value is 6. Let's have number 1, A plus B minus C. The value of 2 is A, and the value of 4 is B. So, 2 plus 4 equals 6 minus 6. Now, what do you think is the answer? Let us check. So, the answer is 0. Another number. Yes, let's have number 2. B plus 6 plus 2 minus 4. The value of B is 4. 4 times 6 plus 2 minus 4. 4 times 6 equals 24 plus 2 minus 4. 24 plus 2 equals 26. 26 minus 4, what is the answer? So the answer is 22. Good. You want some more exercises? Let's have number 3, children. But before we proceed simplifying the given expression, let's have first recall the value of the following letters. C, the value is 6. What is the value of B? 4. Expression with exponent and with grouping symbols. C square means 6 times 6 equals 36. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Divided by 2. Perform now division and subtraction. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Perform subtraction. 36 minus 5. What will be the answer? Good. Your answer is 31. Let's have another example. Simplify the given expression. Recall again the value of B and the value of C. Open parenthesis. B plus times C, close parenthesis, divided by 12 plus C. 4 plus 6 equals divided by 12 plus C. 4 times 6 equals 24. Divided by 12 plus 6. Perform division and addition. 24 divided by 12 equals 2. Plus 6. Perform now addition. So the answer will be 2 plus 6 equals 8. Good. Let's have the last example. Simplify the given expression with exponent and with parenthesis. Open parenthesis C plus A cube, close parenthesis, times B minus C. Perform the letters inside the parenthesis and with exponent. 6 plus 8 times 4. A cube means 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. Times 4 minus 6. Perform multiplication, subtraction, and addition. 8 times 4 equals 32. Minus 6. 6 plus 32 equals 38. minus 6. Perform the subtraction. What is your answer, children? So the answer is 32. 38 minus 6 equals 32. Next, children, let's have the evaluation. Evaluate the following expression before you solve. Number 1. So let us evaluate and then check your answer. 36 divided by 3 times 2 plus 5 minus 1. 12 times 2 plus 5 minus 1. 12 times 2 equals 24 plus 5 minus 1. 24 plus 5, 29 minus 1. The answer is 28. Next, number 2. 32 divided by 2 times 2 square. Simplify, children, and then solve. Let's evaluate and check your answer. 32 divided by 2 times 4. 32 divided by 2 equals 16 times 4. Perform the multiplication. So your answer will be 64. Let's have number 3. 8 times 5 plus 6 minus 10 square divided by 20. 8 times 5 plus 6 minus 10 square means 10 times 10, 100 divided by 20. 8 times 5 equals 40 plus 6, 100 divided by 20 equals 5. 40 plus 6, 46 minus 5 equals 41. Now let's proceed to number 4. 12 divided by 6 times 2 plus 4 minus 5. 12 divided by 6 equals 2 times 2 plus 4 plus 5. 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 4 minus 5. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 minus 5, the answer is 3. Number 5. 6 plus, open parenthesis, 2 times 7 plus 5 square, close parenthesis. 6 plus 2 times 7 equals 14. 5 square, 5 times 5 equals 25. 6 plus 14 equals 20 plus 25. The answer is 45. Let us evaluate who among you got the score of 5 and 4. Very good learners. I know today you have learned another skills in mathematics. about evaluating an expression with more than two operations, with or without exponents and grouping symbols. All of you today learners, you did your best. Again, stay safe and healthy. Good job, learners. I'm Teacher Loida, saying goodbye, everyone.
Maraming salamat, Ma'am Loida Simatic. Ngayon naman mga bata, bago tayo magtapos, pakinggan muna natin ang mensahe ng ating napaka-supportive na Math Coordinator ng Isaac Lopez Integrated School, Ginang Shirley A. Alday.
Maraming salamat, Teacher Jen. Sa ngalan ng Isaac Lopez Integrated School, ako ay buong pusong nagpapasalamat sa buong CID team ng STO Mandaluyong sa pangunguna ni Dr. Romela M. Cruz, sa ating napaka-innovative na Education Program Supervisor sa Mathematics, Sir Resty I. Rodelas, na nagkamit ng Superintendent Award dahil po sa kanyang mga dekalidad na programa sa Mathematics Department. Maraming salamat po, Sir Resty, sa ibinigay mo pong pagtitiwala at pagkakataon na maging bahagi ng Project SOAR ang mga guro ng Isaac Lopez Integrated School upang makagawa ng video lesson upang mapadali at patuloy ang pagkatuto ng mga batang Mandalenyo sa asignaturang mathematics kahit tayo ay nasa ganitong pandemya. Sa aming napakabait at napaka-supportive na principal, Ginoong Roberto P. Redubante, sa walang sawang suporta sa mga guro ng Isaac Lopez para sa mga gawain at programa ng Mathematics Department, both elementary and high school. Maraming salamat po, Sir Oben. Sa aming PSDS in charge ng aming paaralan, Dr. Chet Olbert Canal, na laging nandyan at nakaalalay sa iba't ibang gawain ng aming paaralang Isaac Lopez Integrated School. Higit sa lahat, sa kapwa ko guro na tumanggap ng trabaho at hamon upang makabuo ng video lesson sa Project SOAR. Mahirap man, ay napagtagumpayan din natin na makagawa o mabuo ito. Pasasalamat kina Ginang Lorna A. Angeles ng Grade 1, Ginoong Runil James Makawili at Ginang Nympha B. Taglin ng Grade 3, Ginang Girlie D. Bartolome ng Grade 4, Ginang Generosa F. Nalagon at Ginang Lorena E. Aquino para sa Grade 5 video lesson at Ginang Loida Simatic ng Grade 6. Pinasasalamatan ko din sila Binibining Jennifer L. Nuesca at Ginoong Joseph A. Mitrano na nagsilbi naming moderator. Maraming salamat din kay Ginang Romela H. Bacro sa pagtulong sa aming mga moderator. Salamat po sa paglaan ninyo ng oras para mabuo at makagawa ng video lesson na na-assign po sa Team ILIS. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Muli, pagpatuloy po sana natin ang pagsubaybay sa mga video lesson ng Project SOAR sa ating MTM channel. Mula sa Team ILIS, nagsasabing, Math-sayang Math-tuto, magandang mag-aral, sa Mandaluyong, walang maiiwan, lahat kabahagi ng bilang.
Thank you very much, teacher reviewers, Batang MANDunong.
To all viewers, please do not forget to subscribe, like, follow our FB official page and our YouTube MTM channel.
Laging tandaan,
Batang MANDunong, walang maiiwan, kabahagi ng bilang.
#GreaterILIS, better your best.